Is circadian rhythm linked to chronic fatigue syndrome? Chronic fatigue syndrome, also known as myalgic encephalomyelitis, is a complex condition that brings profound fatigue, unrefreshing sleep, cognitive difficulties, and autonomic dysfunction. Sleep disturbances are a core symptom of this condition, leading many to wonder about the role of circadian rhythms, which is our body's internal clock that regulates various biological processes over a 24-hour cycle. Research presents a mixed picture when it comes to circadian rhythm and chronic fatigue syndrome. Some studies have found no clear evidence of disruptions in circadian rhythms among patients. For instance, a controlled study that measured activity patterns, sleep, and cortisol secretion over several days found no significant differences in circadian rhythm markers between patients and healthy individuals. However, this study did note abnormal activity in the autonomic nervous system, such as low nocturnal heart rate variability. This was linked to unrefreshing sleep and fatigue symptoms, suggesting that while the circadian clock may not be directly disrupted, related physiological systems that affect sleep quality are indeed impacted. On the other hand, other research indicates that patients with myalgic encephalomyelitis may show abnormalities in functions related to circadian rhythms. This includes reduced daily activity amplitude and altered skin temperature rhythms. These findings suggest that there may be dysfunction in the hypothalamus and the suprachiasmatic nucleus, which is the brain's master circadian pacemaker. Such dysfunction could lead to desynchronization of physiological processes across various organ systems. This desynchronization might impair metabolism and energy regulation, contributing to the fatigue and cognitive issues commonly experienced by those with this condition. Emerging hypotheses also suggest a link between circadian rhythm disruption and the development of myalgic encephalomyelitis after infections, including the post-acute sequelae of COVID-19. Disruption of circadian rhythms may worsen or maintain symptoms by impairing the coordination of physiological functions. Factors such as genetic variations in clock genes and environmental influences like light exposure could play a role in this. While not all patients may experience clear circadian rhythm disruptions, the relationship between circadian regulation, autonomic function, and sleep quality is significant. Managing activity levels to avoid excessive fatigue in the evening and addressing autonomic dysfunction may help improve unrefreshing sleep and overall symptoms. Understanding how circadian influences affect individuals can lead to personalized approaches for managing symptoms, including sleep hygiene and the timing of daily activities. In summary, while some studies do not find overt disruptions in circadian rhythms among patients with chronic fatigue syndrome, a considerable body of evidence supports the involvement of circadian-related physiological dysfunctions. These dysfunctions likely contribute to the sleep disturbances, fatigue, and autonomic symptoms that characterize this complex condition. The relationship is intricate and can vary from person to person, emphasizing the need for further research and personalized care.